Zaga Zaga Zow. This is Beenie Man representing for Gabba Star. And this is to Stevie. I don't care who you are. Whoa, 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 whoa. Die. Beenie Man says so. Boom. Gabba. Zaga.
Hey everybody, I'm your host Gabba Star and you're tuned in to nothing but the hype. Lots of hype events this week, but today's show is all about the Beenie Man hype that went down inside of Aura nightclub. Now before I get into the highlight, I'm going to take a second and play back a clip from the artist himself, because yes, I know you guys heard that he was a little bit late, so let's hear from his side as to what happened that day. Take a look.
I apologize about the time that I got here, but it was a situation beyond my control. The snow was falling over the other place where the plane is coming from, so the plane reached late. And then when the plane reached, I have to wait for an hour before I go on the plane. Now when the plane got here, I got no time to change my clothes, so out here like our hand. So if I didn't love the music and I didn't love you all, I would not be here. So all my fans and well wishers, I love you all, and this is the reason why.
With that being said, you know what time it is. It's time to party. So stick and stay. Don't go away.
You're watching Stush TV Entertainment with all the hype and all the vibe. Exclusive. Your best highlights and more. Are you living in the hypeness? Yeah!
Hear me no quick cook. Tell me how the thing look. Hey, DJ, him say party up like Hulk up. Party up like Hulk up. One month a share of my jeans them whole. Raving healthy we vibe down low. Him say party shot like 116. Them call me the raving king. Touch a small girl, show me love, and I tell me my sweet like fudge. Him say party shot like one STD. Girl, them a wine for me, yeah. And we have this style with them love.
Yeah, you don't know CJ the Martian represent for Gabby Star. You don't know Winnipeg, you don't know the Martian in the building. Big up Beenie Man, big up Canton, you don't know. Gabby Star, from what you every man a sing money song, me a sing one two. So me no sing song two. Marital sing money song and it win all award, me a win one two. Gabby Star say, bank in a pocket, in a pants, in a jacket, a gallant in a traffic, ranch with a attic, skip where you skip past poor life like the dance, me say ding dang.
Should be seeing more if you're in a court again. You love how the body just stand to the bend.
I'm freeze, me not promise to give you no ease. And me got me like branches in trees. Hold on now, see me. You freaky, look, the better
You all listening to Stush TV right now. It's your boy Chubby D from Ninja Can Sound. My boy Sniper from Hypeness Sound. We here tonight inside Beenie Man. You done know already. Stush TV, you done know already. Large every time.
Call me Gold Man. For the drugs, I'm Sid Vicious. Gary Oldman, I used to roll big L's like Lamar Coleman. Two choices, be a buyer or supply.
How I do, I'm pulling how I choose. Chillin' like a villain, smoking down a room. It's been nice to meet ya. I gotta take a picture. While you standing still, I'm coming through the future.
Everyone in that Italian gets to get this off the show. All these people wanna know, they wanna see me lose control. I got this, yeah, I got this, can't let no one know I'm late, but I just told you I would make this video for this like I'm making extra high, like I just never. Shut up, don't want to make it like Cheetah. All my ladies get on the dance floor. Go.
walk. You see the last time I was on stage, you know what tell her? Somebody go send them brains funding, a bad man now put on the taste. But now rub my face, just bring it in and T-back boy shot her enough in our lace. But if it tells she brains funding, a bad man now put on the taste. Me now rub my face, just bring it in and T-back boy shot. Listen to me, I love it when they shave clean or in a mohawk gangsta. Get it and don't talk. Don't stop twerking, twerking, you don't stop twerking. Don't stop twerking, twerking, you don't stop twerking. Don't stop if you twerking, twerking, you don't stop. I'm a good session. Me love when you wind up. Have you wanted to be a time up, girl? Girl, take your time up, and I'ma take my time. When we pushing iron up, girl, we love when you wind up. Have you wanted to be a time up, girl? Girl, take your time up, and I'ma take my time. This one of you, keep me up in my position and set a little wickedness right, girl.
There's a big TV and a bush TV, sick TV. Hold on, watch me. Them say we rising and them fighting, but it's okay. They can stop my flow, no time, no way, no day. Man a gal is gal alone, we give full play. Man a gangster, real gangster. Wake up in the morning, they eat two fitter. Coming out, tell me I put on my slipper. Follow me, tweet, 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 tweet. The style is sicker. Wake up in the morning, they eat two fitter. Going out, tell me I put on my slipper. Follow me, tweet, 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 tweet. Especially when I step out in my white t-shirt.
My style is sicker. Wake up in the morning and I eat two fritter. I could definitely rock out to that song. That song is hot. Okay, so you've seen your local artist perform and you've seen a little bit of the vibe. So, for the moment that you all been waiting for, Addy girl, them sugar, that's all. Welcome the king of the dance hall.
Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up.
I just came off the plane. I'm coming from the airport. I haven't get nothing to drink yet. But what you drinking? Play what you playing, dog. Come on!
She don't really need a boyfriend. She don't need a girlfriend for a boyfriend. No. And she don't really need another man. But if I open my heart, then I can see where I'm wrong, girl. If ever you decide, real bad man a rampant punani. Where's me on? I'm a weed on me on. Me on the side, what you want to oh na na, give me the video body, oh na na. Give me the video body, oh na na. Give me the video body, oh na 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 na. Well, me tell woman if you're fed up with your boyfriend, I know your boyfriend and digging on my. Well, every night it come in, digging at your ears and your nose and your gaze. Me say woman if you're mad now, the time. Let him go. And him come in and a bye-bye. Let him go. Every night it come in, digging at your ears and your nose.
Listen. Could somebody say, oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Oh hey, hey na na. Oh na na na. Welcome the girls, them sugar. The girls, welcome the girls, them sugar. The girls. Hold up, yeah. 1 cup of water and treat. 1 cup of water. 1 cup of water. 1 cup of water. You are John mine, me a sugar. You get the money and me kill her with the wine. When you're there, sit up on your mind. But today a bad man gives a daytime. In this time of need and loneliness, I want to know what they want. Oh shit. The girl them need, the girl them want, the girl them need a friend, she need a body.
me, hey. If I get China, she dead. She free on the hey. No girl can't see no for me, hey. If I get China, she dead. Turn it up.
This girl walking on me life with a crazy emotion, love that she found. And now she freaky, but my girl can't take the stride. Guys, everybody wave your hand in the air. Can I hear some gunshot in on it? No girl never sitting like a flip like no, she got to find us. Jamala girl, yeah. Bad man don't let you leave. With a damn princess that we, she have to find us. Jamala girl. Oh, Jalai, who the bar? Chew you put your head there. The other them come, the other them fall. Everybody playing on your blood left now. Chaka, over the wall, keep it steady. Oh, we over here, sir. Lock down the city. You remember the dance that I can't show the belly. Everybody the girl them and them ever fun. When me touch him now, you will sit in now. Style back, look about the box, and that's how the table box, that's what it. Never see come see no. No boy not touch this me career. Hey bad man can't take this fight away. Swear it in your eyes. And we are drive out, we going out. Oh yeah. Can't see everybody wave, can't get in the studio. So let's go to the beach. Make me have a party on the side. Oh, take off the rock, me want to see it how you stand bust a boat. Let me use me dance, but pretty belly skin never them not to the fire. Can you attend her in brownie? Hold up so much time. Umbrella bleacher. All of so much time. Lady, I've never seen a video girl ever. I've never seen a video girl ever. Let me stop. They say it's the first of everything, but you're a sexy video girl, baby. I want to lend you my mic. Baby, I want to knock you out like Mike Tyson. Baby, I want to dunk inside of you like Michael Jordan, baby. Baby, I want to lend you my mic. I want to kick you out of my third leg with my... Vida girl, can I talk to you? Vida girl. Look how you dress up in your full suit of black. Never know your so fat. Vida girl, me say you gone past, but you see the mic up on your side here. Me no want to talk on that. Me have my mic in my hand. Me want in a piece of me long john. Piece of me mind, hope you understand. Everybody who do wave for no one, I'm okay. Oh, they got me clean every day. Black them a be me change 3 times a day. Cause you tell me back and me have money to pay. You know say I'm still I'm okay. Oh, if you look like girl, me no shy. Money stack up by straight up to the sky. Bad man serious, but I'll tell the lie. Take it down. Yo. WINNIPEG don't you know this is a joke. From me come here, me no get no ganja for smoke. Me no get no liquor when me pass through me throat. Bad man there, don't you know me now? Okay, me now go flex like the ghost. Me now there DJ till me host. Everybody knows say I only are the host. We ever no wanna say I'm okay. It's like never ready to pick the well, never ready to pick up this, pick the well, never ready for more than start the war, then murder the prison problems, and the more than come on the more than the emotion, but the more, but when I'm really making them the element, touch them life and touch them. Who the tell the rest? I want you to play the other one. Every man a sing money song, me a sing 1, 2. So what? Me no sing song 2. Every time sing money song and it win all award, me a win 1, 2. First is a bank in a pocket, in a pants, in a jacket, and your land in a traffic. Ranch with a attic, skip with a skip pass full life like the dance of the ding dang do. From now anything we Beenie bring from foreign next year, me a bring 1, 2. And anyway me see Bunty park of the range, me a park of a big fan too. Me want Benz and Lincoln too. Apartment bigger than Tim Bamboo. Me want the hang from Japan and the dollar from States and the pound from England too. Done? CG. Yeah. Cantana. Even up. Turn it down. Want a girl who live dangerous. I want a girl who contagious. Why when you give me make me brain a bust? She live on the head, she live on the head. I want a girl who live dangerous. I want a girl who contagious. Why when she give me make me brain a bust? She live on
the edge, she live on the edge. Yes, of the boy that a Cantana law. Yeah. Tell we exciting that Cantana walk. Yeah. Transform my bedroom in a Mardi Gras. Yeah. Straighted and raw, but like lady song. Wow. Bring it on the just a bring it on the chest a jump. Yeah. Girl got the grip that I want, must claw. Wow. Members touch this that a bedroom floor. So ladies, yeah. I love the back shot position. Bum. The doggy style. Bum. Hey, she position put me a gear a back shot. Press them stiff on her. Action, action, now
baby, you bend down,
man. Zero still love her for that. She ride on the like bike. She does all the things that me like. She deserve a ticket like night. She make me lightning strike. She make me two of them girl. She make me eyes them roll. No body woman kind of
alright. Me no business which girl you want walk. Me want to be your girl. Me want push up the in your wall and make you wine and your belly them twirl.
Madam Mean, Gabby Star, hear me now? Now say a word, man. Cause we hustle for what we want. Nobody can tell we say we can. Cantana represent for Gabby Star. Mad, Mean, Martians, that's who we are.
That wraps up your entertainment for tonight. For all the other hype highlights, hype videos that you want to check out, just go to www.youtube.com/STUUSHTV and you can catch them all there. Until then, I'm your host Gabby Star. Let go.